Okay, as you can see, the trommel's fully collapsed right now. I'm just going to give you a quick story on how to put it together. Usually do the front legs first. Sorry, this end first. Have those done too. That's so it doesn't roll anywhere. If you put the wheels on first, it'll roll. If you try and put on the other side first. And now the back wheels. Again, put your legs on in the axle holes first. And right now I have these screwed, but I'll probably do clevis pins at least in the top. Since the chain's holding on this, I'm going to lift it up by the barrel. It's pretty heavy. It weighs probably about 75, 80 pounds. Put that on. The legs will stop. Now the new ones that I'm building, that I'm selling, this was an update after I decided not to use these. Even though you can still, if you want these, I can just put them on. Basically, if you don't want the wheels, you can have angle pieces come out. The legs will actually be this thicker tubing. I just put them on snug. If you do them too tight, you'll mar the holes and stuff. If you want extra support around it, you can do bungees or whatever. And usually I don't have any cords right now, but you just rubber strap the sluice box to the frame, or you can put clevis pins up through here onto this feed so you can see your pickers and your nuggets, hopefully, in the upper the rubber matting there. And then each sluice box, these don't come with miner's moss, but I am including miner's moss with them because that's very irreplaceable. And sometimes these wander down. And you'll lift this up. Screw these will have screws in them. Just as you want them up. And that's it.